How to resync a PS4 controller, Android Central. Controller giving you problems by not syncing up to your PlayStation correctly. Luckily, DualShock 4 controllers are made so that players can resync their controllers with extreme ease. Thanks to a tiny hole on the back of the controller. If your controller isn't connecting, this is the best way to try and fix it. Barring the use of a USB cable all of the time, no one wants to be tethered to their console when they don't need to be. Press and hold the PlayStation button on the center of your controller. This will prompt another attempt to resync. This method only works if you're using a DualShock 4 controller. If you have a third-party controller like the Razer Raiju or Scuf Vantage, or some other third-party controller, they may not have the same reset button but should have their own methods of being reset. It's also important to note that sometimes the DualShock 4 doesn't sync up correctly because it uses a Bluetooth connection. And it could be attempting to connect to multiple devices. Like your phone if you've ever used PS4 Remote Play. If you're experiencing other common problems with your controller, like not holding a charge, there are easy fixes to these issues. If none of those work, you may need to spring for a new controller entirely. DualShock 4s aren't too expensive, so it isn't usually a huge deal if you need to spring for a new one. Even if you don't, it might be smart to pick up an extra just in case yours breaks or if you ever have a friend over and want to play some couch co-op. Good headsets tend to get expensive, but the Easy SMX VIP002S headset gives you the best of both worlds, affordability and quality. Charge up your controllers without taking up that precious USB space on your console. The HyperX ChargePlay Duo can charge 2 at once in 2 hours through an AC adapter. PlayStation is good for much more than gaming. When you want to browse the web or navigate your favorite apps, a DualShock 4 controller just doesn't cut it. Whether you've got the original model, the Slim or the Pro. If you travel with your PS4, these are the accessories to get. If you're looking to scratch the strategy itch on your PS4, check these titles out. No matter what kind of strategy game you like, there's something out there for you. Jennifer Locke has been playing video games nearly her entire life. If a controller's not in her hands, she's busy writing about everything PlayStation. You can find her obsessing over Star Wars and other geeky things on Twitter at genlock95. Text source, AndroidCentral.com.